RM Studios Action News. I'm your anchor, Tad's away. I like it. Our top story today, a man who is suing an airline for misplacing his luggage, unfortunately lost his case. Also in the news, some sailors and prisoners took an exciting voyage to Italy. It seems some prisoners had been turned over to a centurion named Orange Julius. Wait, what? Oh, I'm sorry. Just Julius. Anyways, we'll sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip. It started from this tropic port aboard a tiny ship. So now we go to our on-site reporter, Ken, you dig it, standing by with Just Julius.
With RM Studios Action Live News, I'm Ken, you dig it. Reporting from here, beautiful Malta Island, careful the snakes, they're not friendly. Standing next to Centurion of the Augustan cohort, Orange Julius, excuse me? Okay, Just Julius. Standing next to Just Julius of the Augustan cohort, Just Julius, can you tell us, what are we doing here?
Well, earlier we were dispatched in the maiden voyage of the Roman Empire Titanic II. We were transporting prisoners, obviously, as we were. Unfortunately, we ran into a spot of trouble. Things seemed to go awry for us when we got closer to land. And we quickly realized that we were getting into the shallows quite heavily.
Speaking of a rye, Ted, I'd like to place an order for a pastrami on rye with some extra Swiss cheese. Back to you.
So, we followed orders. Unfortunately, like I said, we were very, very close to being shipwrecked, so we followed protocol, started dumping grain off the side of the ship, to no avail, unfortunately, and we knew that we were going to make landfall in the worst way possible. So then we started another protocol and started tossing prisoners off the ship and telling them to swim for it.
Now, Just Julius, I understand you had a special prisoner with you by the name of Paul. Can you tell me what made him so special?
Yes, Paul was trying to tell us that we should abandon our orders, which I will not and cannot do. I will not, under any circumstances, abandon my duty. So I continued to follow orders, and that continued to go downhill rather quickly. So at the last moment, we went last ditch, and we followed Powell's his particular instructions, and he assured us that we would all live.
With Centurion of the Augustan cohort, Just Julius, who is just doing his duty, I'm reporting for RM Studios Action Live News. Ken, you dig it? Tad, back to you.
And thank you, Ken. So that's all we have tonight for RM Studios Action News. I'm your anchor, Tad's away. I like it. Have a great evening, everyone.